From 1986 to 89, we all used to visit Kashmir for Telugu films, and I had worked for 2 films. And I knew then how situation had changed from 86 to 89. As a Hindu society, we believe in everyone, we believe in respecting other religions. But the sad part is this terrorists, they don't have that. Killing husband in front of a wife, killing your father in front of kids, and it is unimaginable, which had never happened before. First of all, it's quite a ghastly incident, painful incident. Today, after meeting Mr.